Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to install and set up a Metasploitable tool in your VirtualBox. Follow my steps and my procedures and you will have a Metasploitable tool running in no time. Now to do so, we are going to be using our VirtualBox like I've said before. We click on our VirtualBox. If you don't have VirtualBox, head on to virtualbox.com to install yours. Then you can see I already have existing or running servers, which is our virtual machine already. So to install your Metasploitable tool, we click on this new button. You can see there's already this interface appears. Now yours might be in guided mode, but mine is in expert mode because it gives me the opportunity to do things the way I want. So I click on this expert mode, name it whatever I want. I name it Meta 002, whatever I like. Then we don't insert our OS image, rather we just do the rest for now. We leave that one for later. Now the main thing we're going to do is here we're going to be using Linux because our Metasploitable tool runs a Linux operation. Now the version must be left in Oracle Linux 64-bit if your system is in 64-bit. If not, put it in 32. Now the next we go to the hardware where we allocate the memories and the processors for our Metasploitable. Now the thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the base memory is within the green line. Note, whenever you are trying to set up a virtual machine, make sure whatever space or memory you are allocating to it is within the green line, else it will affect your whole system. Now once CPU is enough to run it, then we'll go to our hard disk. Now in this hard disk, now what we do is this. Note, we do not create a virtual hard disk, rather what we do is what we use an already existing hard disk. Now then we click on this icon to continue. Now you go to add. Now mine is already a Metasploitable.vmdk 8 gig, but you can if yours does not appear there, what you do is you click on this add button, go to wherever yours is. Mine is in this place. Then I click on Metasploitable, click on it. This is where mine is. Then you add it, just as simple as that. So then it will appear here. Then you click on it, choose it. I choose, then voila, is there. The next thing you do, you click on what, finish. That is how we get our Metasploitable. Now the next thing you need to do is we check our general settings. By doing so, we click on settings. Now check the base memory, the base still Meta 002. In this place you can decide to edit the name and put exploit, maybe Metasploitable, maybe it's Metasploitable 2 if you like. Just leave mine like that. Then next thing we do, we go to advanced. Okay, there's nothing to share here. Go to description. I don't need to do that. Then we just come back to system. Now note, it must be within the green. Okay, yes, this is good to go. We go up, check, no other thing is needed. We go to our display. Oh, go back, we're not done. Check the processors. CPU green. Okay, all are all green. Now then we go to our display. The display video video memory, you can decide to give it small, but since it's we're not using it for, I'm not going to be using it that often. We're going to be practicing our hacking skills on it, so rather just going to leave the default memory given to it. Check this recordings. Okay, all good to go. Check the storage. Yeah, empty, we are aware. Then we'll go down here, audio, which is good. Network, very important. Now since we're practicing our hacking skills, because it is a vulnerable server, we're going to be using our Metasploitable. So what we need to do is for our system, or which is our Kali Linux that we're going to be using to practice our hacking, for it to be able to see our Metasploitable, they have to be in the same network. So now my Kali Linux is already in what we call NAT network, so we need to put our Metasploitable 2 also in NAT network so that they can see each other. Now by doing so, we just come here, check this is NAT, bridge adapter, internet network, host only adapter. We also have generic drive, and we have NAT network. Now what we need is what? NAT network. We click on NAT network, then that's it. Check serial port, there's nothing there for us, nothing. Then we just press OK. Then we've successfully set it up. Let me see, I think I have an error. Let's see, advanced, come down here, network. What's the issue? Okay, that's it. So don't forget NAT network. Now you can see my settings now. All is good to go. System, then USB network, NAT network. So that's it. The next thing we need to do is to finally run this virtual machine. By doing so, we click on this start button if you want to, or you can right click and see start, but we just follow the normal way. Click on start, then it will pop up and start running. Give it time to run. Okay, it's coming up. You can see, very easy and very effective. See, starting the FTP server, prof TPD. It's going to take a little, maximum 1 minute or 2. Going, then voila, we are done. Now for you to log in, we need the password and the username. Now if you look at the server, you are going to see where they wrote log in with msfadmin/msfadmin. What they are trying to say is msfadmin is your password and msfadmin is your username. Now when in this place, we're going to put in our what we call msfadmin. So by doing so, just press msfadmin, click on enter, and msfadmin, enter. Then voila, we are done. So we have successfully installed and set up our Metasploitable 2 in our virtual machine. Like I say, follow my step and you have it running in no time.